when it comes to building a car and getting the engine done, tuning, and making all the power, what's the two things that go hand in hand with power and actually planting that power to the ground? I would say tires and wheels. So that's what we're doing today. So at the end of the last vlog, I showed you guys this wheel setup, and I gave you a sneak peek. So today, I'm gonna actually reveal. Let's show you guys this first though. We got some titanium hardware with a floating seat. These are for the front, because obviously the extended lugs in the front, and these are the rear. This is real titanium, custom made. So this is what's gonna top off the wheels. But for right now, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we're working with. Y'all ready? Ooh. This is what we got going on here. A set of Group B NC 01s with Falcon Acenis RT 660 pluses. This is a 225, 45, 15. I was thinking about going with a 225, 50, how most people do for these Civics with this power level, but I didn't want the tires sticking out from the actual fenders. So with this size, it's like you're right there at the threshold. And these are 15 by 8 with plus 35 offset, these wheels. And as you can see with these tires, it's incredible. I can't wait to see this color rim also on the green. So let's start getting these puppies on and see what it's looking like. Okay, y'all, let's get a quick before. That's the setup that's coming on. So that's the before. Once I put the wheels, I'll take the car out and we'll check it out and see how it looks. But let's start with the first wheel up here. We also gotta adjust right height. So going from this to this. One wheel down, 3 to go. Check this out, man. Check out those titanium lug nuts. These things are something else. What y'all think? What y'all think so far? It's jacked up still, so the ride height is not correct. But I adjusted the ride height, so now when I bring it down, it should look good though. How y'all feel about the wheels? Let me know, let me know. Let's keep going, let's keep going. 3 more to go. The wheels are finally on. Look out that, look at that fitment right there. You see that right there? Check it out. What y'all think about that fitment right there? Here it is. I know we in the shade, so it's a little dark, but we only got it from this side. What do you guys think? Huh? What do you guys think of the Group B's? It's just something a little different for me, you know? I'm so used to the black wheels that this color like throws me off a little bit, but I think it looks fire. Look at the poke on the back right there. The ride height, I have to leave it more or less like this for now to see what I could pull off as far as lowering the car. On the other side, It seems like the tire touched a little bit, but it's kind of low. So what I'm gonna do is on a coilover, I'm gonna stiffen it up by like 2 clicks, and hopefully that fixes the issue. But this thing is gripping. It's a whole different car now, the way it's gripping on the road. Before it was all spin, now it's gripping a lot better. I'm still gonna need some traction control setup. You see, look, a slight touching. It's just a slight rub, like it comes out basically with your hand. On this side, since I don't have no passenger, it's pretty good for now, but I also picked up 2 clicks on this side, so it could be even on both sides of the coilovers, front and back. So now it's gonna be a stiffer ride, but the tire's not gonna be touching as much. Let me wait till these cars pass, so you guys can tell me where you think how the wheels look from a little further away. I think it's looking fire. Let's go to the other side and what do you guys think of the stance? This angle right here is the one. See that? So, why the Group B NC01? For one, the wheel is about 12 pounds. So I'm cutting down weight. Whenever you make power on a car, right? The less rotational weight you have in any place, either whether it's the engine rotating assembly or the drivetrain, the less weight you got on those parts, the easier it is for them to spin, obviously. So this is why I wanted to go with a lighter wheel and a stickier tire, obviously for grip. But I also added the titanium lug nuts, also to give it, you know, that little bit cut in weight. But it's more of a like a look, you know. Show you in the back over here. You see, these are short because the lugs are short on this. So, but on the front, since I have extended lugs, I went with the extended nuts in the front. Okay, so I'm finally back to the garage, and I will call that a success for them wheels. I love the way they feel, the way the tires grip, and the car just feels a lot more like, I don't know how to explain it, like quicker, like more agile, I guess because of the weight of the wheels. So I was also looking at those marks that I showed you guys, and I think these are previous marks from the previous owner, if I'm not mistaken, because I rubbed them and there's no residue or anything. And usually if the tire was to scrape on here, there would be residue on the quarter panel or on the tire. So I think they actually are not touching, but I still stiffened up the coilovers just to be 100% sure. And as far as the old wheels, these are for sale. If you guys want, you can shoot over to my Instagram. It's at @J_Chapa, CHAPA, just like that. And I'm selling these on there. So the wheels are mint. Tires, they're pretty used, but they still got plenty of life in them. See that? So, and they're all good. No patches, no plugs. So if anybody's interested and is locally in NYC, hit me up. This gonna wrap it up for this video. Y'all already know what it is. It's Chopper, and I'm out of here. Till next time.